Hello my friends and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to draw another figure, but it is a figure from a painting from Eduard Mane, and I try to repaint it again with lines and with ink. And before I start to drawing this figure with lines and with ink, I drew this with pencil, and it's not as similar as its painting, but I try to become as much close as I can. I was always interested in his painting, and yesterday I was thinking, what if I try to repaint his painting with my style, or a little bit changes in colors or maybe lines. So I decided to try this, and this painting with a naked woman figure was really cool for me. So I decided to choose this one. Maybe for next videos I choose the other painting from the other great painter in the history. But I think it is really good for practicing lines because it has fabric folds too. I simply draw this with ink, but it's not always ink, maybe, or sometimes I use watercolor, but I try to use just one color, and it is always dark brown. But I think the other colors is good for this kind of practicing, and it depends on your mood. And furthermore, I decided to paint with colors, but in this video I just draw this with lines, and I'm not sure that continue this way of making videos or not, because I just wanted to try one video and see the result of and the reaction of the people. And for her hair and her face, I just put some colors and fade them together, and I'm going to add more details in the next videos if I choose to paint this. I wish you liked this video, and please subscribe my channel to see more videos from me, and leave me comments in the section below about your opinion about my painting.